Nissan is recalling its Armada SUV because of a tiny sticker in your door jamb. Yes, that's right, Nissan Armada owners are being called back to dealerships to get a sticker replaced on their vehicles. While a mislabel might seem inconsequential, that sticker is actually the one that you reference whenever you fill your tires with air, load your car with cargo, and then some. I'm talking about the gross axle weight rating sticker. While it is a small thing, running the wrong pressure or axle load might lead to unnecessary wear and tear. Thankfully, however, no known issues have come about because of this mislabel. The kicker here is that the recall list includes some year models that are more than a decade old at this point. So essentially, that would mean that some drivers who referenced the door jamb religiously could have been running on the wrong tire pressures or the wrong vehicle cargo weights for more than a decade, though that seems a little extreme. In May 2025, as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's NHTSA recall report reads, during the development phase of a new vehicle model, Nissan identified a discrepancy between the regulatory language specified in FMVSS 110 and the corresponding NHTSA test procedure. Nissan initiated an investigation into this potential concern. During the summer of 2025, an initial review indicated that Nissan's engineering standards defined requirements based on the original regulatory statement. Due to the ambiguity in the standard, the gross axle weight rating, GAWR, value was calculated based on the maximum tire pressure as opposed to both the maximum tire pressure and the manufacturer recommended tire pressure listed on the placard, the report continued. It took the first half of 2026 to get this sticky situation sorted. In June this year, Nissan conducted a feasibility study of simply replacing the label, and by the end of June, the brand had already pinned down all of the affected models. On July 8, 2026, Nissan conducted the recall for the affected U.S. market vehicles. Affected models will experience a stop sale on July 16, 2026, and owners of all potentially affected vehicles will be notified at the beginning of September 4, 2026. Owners will be able to search their vehicle identification numbers, VINs, after July 16, 2026. The 2020 to 2024 and 2025 to 2026 year models of the Nissan Armada are affected by this recall. Conversely, the related 2011 to 2013 Infiniti QX56 is also included in the recall. Finally, the 2014 to 2024 and 2025 to 2026 year models of the Infiniti QX80 are also affected. Interestingly, the QX56 is the oldest model affected in this recall, which suggests that Nissan took more than a decade to remedy the error. The same goes for the 2014 QX80 models. Now, if you don't want to hassle yourself with a dealer visit just for a sticker, the NHTSA's recall report also stated that Nissan will also conduct mailing services for affected owners. As with all recalls, all repairs will be conducted free of charge for parts and labor, and it will take less than half an hour to complete the recall per vehicle. Heck, it might not even take a minute.